Hey everyone, I'm going to show you my latest ceiling fan acquisition. A 42-inch diameter hugger type ceiling fan by Aircool, manufactured June of 1992. And this is a childhood fan of mine. It was sold at Stanbaugh's. I won't get too much into it now. This is just a quick little video depicting what I got. And here are the blades and arms, still attached to the arms. The blades are, and they're still in the wrapping to have put on it. Sorry for the little blemishes on there. I'm sure I could get them scraped off, but the other side is plain, not cane like the like its bigger sister, the 52-inch hugger I have of this finish. And that one's 5 blade. This one just has 4. But I've been seeking after a fan like this for very, very long, and I finally got one, and I'm very, very happy about it. Can't wait to hang it. I don't know when it'll be, but I do have its sister in antique brass, the much more common version of it, installed with the rest of my fans right now. Some of you have seen another video, and also I did video of the bigger one, probably a little less common than this one. But I think these were manufactured up until like maybe 1994, I want to say. I may hang it here where the white and cane fan is. Yep. It's the only fan I could use the cane blades on, but anyway, that's another story. But back to this one. These were sold at Stanbaugh's, which was a local home improvement store chain in my area, much smaller than Lowe's, and it came with the globe you see on it, that mushroom globe. If I turn it over, you can see how it will look hung. It's not quite accurate, but you should be able to get the drift. Okay. I think it's missing a washer and another one of those things. I know I got the other screws somewhere, but anyway, it shouldn't be that bad to replace it. Just go to a hardware store and, you know, get her done. Alright everybody, have a great day. And